Hi, my name is Franco Rotoli, and I'm a learning experience expert on the SOLIDWORKS training team. Today, I'm going to be highlighting some functionality we have all seen and probably look at every day. It's the SOLIDWORKS Search menu. This versatile tool can help you learn, search, and even customize SOLIDWORKS. Let's jump right in and start supercharging our workflow. I have this garden trowel design, and I need to make a change to the spade component. The feature that holds the spade in the handle is too short. I need to make it longer, but since it's an imported part, there are no sketches or features to modify. A great tool for working with imported geometry is the Move Face command. I don't have a shortcut for it, and I don't want to spend time looking through the menus. Search commands to the rescue. I select commands from the search menu drop-down and start typing. As I type, it narrows down the list of commands. When I find the Move Face command, I can do several things. If I click it, it jumps into the tool. Great, problem solved. But if I plan on using this several times, this isn't the most efficient way to go. If I want to learn where the tool is, I can click the Show Command Location button, and SOLIDWORKS will take over my mouse and show me where the tool is located in the menus. Lastly, if I want to create a shortcut to this command, I can simply drag the button to any active toolbar, so it's right at my fingertips. One more thing, don't forget about the Command Shortcut S key. Clicking the S key on my keyboard brings up the Command Shortcut bar. There's a command search in this window as well, and it works exactly the same way. I can access the command, learn where it lives, or add it to the shortcut bar. I'll finish the part by extending the face and patterning the cuts using a linear pattern of the faces. Let's see what else I can search for using the search menu. If I want more information on the Move Face command, I can simply change the search menu to look in the SOLIDWORKS Online Help. I'll finish typing Move Face and hit Enter. In my web browser, the Online Help comes up and I can view my search results. Next up is the capability of the search menu to search files and models on your local machine and network. But not just file names. By clicking the search window, I can search keywords and even within SOLIDWORKS files, custom properties. So if I don't remember a file name or a part number, but I can sort of remember the description, I type that in here and away it goes. I can open the file directly from this results window as well. Finally, the last but not least item in the dropdown is MySolidWorks. You can actually look for models or keywords from models, lessons, blogs, or anything else that lives on MySolidWorks.com. I'll search for faucet again, and here are several free video tutorials on how to model faucets, as well as several models that have been uploaded to 3D Content Central by other users. Thanks for watching. Click the link in the description below to access additional tips, tricks, and training courses. And as always, happy designing!